Welcome again to English class. Today's topic is alphabetical order. So children, we already know that letters from A to Z are called alphabet. You have already learned there are capital letters and small letters. You have noticed that each letter in this arrangement from A to Z have a fixed place. They are arranged in an order. Like A comes before B, C comes after B, and C is followed by D. So, A is the first letter, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, D is the fourth letter, H is the eighth letter, O is the 15th, and Z is the last one, that is 26th letter. Each letter has its own place. They cannot change their place. Like B, it cannot come before A, and E, it cannot come after F. So children, now we know that each letter has its own place and you cannot change the placing order of any letter. This placing order is called alphabetical order or dictionary order. Why it is called dictionary order? Because if you will see the dictionary, you will find out that in the dictionary words are arranged in the same alphabet, in the same manner as it is arranged in the alphabet. Like first the word starting with A will come, then B, then C, and so on. So the words in the dictionary are arranged in this order. This alphabet is, so what is the alphabetical order? The definition of alphabetical order is, alphabetical order is a method in which names or words are arranged in the same or sequence so that the letter of the alphabet A to Z. Words starting with A will come first. Like as you can see in the example, there are some words given. Apple, that starts with A, it will come first. Then the letter starting with B, butterfly. Then C, there is no word starting with C, so then the word that is starting with D, dog, elephant, fish. So children, let us learn about this with an example. Here you have to arrange these words according to the alphabet, according to the letter they are starting. First is deer, then aeroplane, then milk, then balloon, and last one is cat. So arrange them in alphabetical order. Let the word which starts with A, it will come first. Aeroplane will come first. Then the word that starts with B, balloon, will come second. Then C, cat, will come third. Then D, deer, will come fourth. And last one, M, milk, will come in the end. So, if there are some words which are starting with the same letter, how will you arrange them? Then you have to arrange them according to the second letter. Like here you can see brush, bag, bush. They are all starting with letter B. Now how will you arrange it? You will see the second letter. Second letter A, B-A-G, bag. That will come first. Then B-R-U-S-H, brush, will come second. And the last one, B-U-S-H, bush, will come in the end. Same way, fan, frog, foot. So, fan will come first, foot will come second, and frog will come in the end. Hut, hot, hat. So, hat will come first because it has A at the second place. Then hot, and last one, hut. Why? Because U is the biggest letter here. Now children, let's do the exercises. Arrange these letters in alphabetical order. First you have to find out which is the smallest letter here, and then write it first, and the biggest letter in the end. M, R, C, I. Which is the smallest letter here? C. You will write C first, then I, then R, M, and last one will be R because it is the biggest letter here. U, K, X, Q. So first write down smallest letter K, Q, U, X. Now third question, S, V, R, Q, T, P, U. Find out the smallest letter here, that is P, then Q, then R, then S, then T, then U, then V. Children, this exercise is given in your book. You can practice this from your book also. Next exercise is arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now you have to arrange the words according in the alphabetical order. That means the words which is starting with the smallest letter will come first. Like first one, John, Mary, Lucy, Dolly, Bob. So if you find out if any word is there which starts with letter A, no. So you will start from letter B. So Bob, then Dolly, then John, then Lucy, and last one Mary. Second question, ox, cow, buffalo, dog, lion. So children, again, no word is starting with letter A. So write down buffalo, then cow, then dog, lion, and last one will be ox. Green, orange, white, yellow, black. So again, black will come first. Nothing is starting with CD. So second we will write down green, then orange, then white, and then yellow. Here you have to arrange this according to the second letter. Hen, hit, hot, hut, hat, home. So hat will come first, then hen, then hit, then home, and then hot. Why? Because first and second letters are same here in both the words. So we will come to match the third letter, that is M and T. So M is smaller, so home will come first, and then hot, and then last one will be hut. Pan, pin, pup, pen, plum, polish. So pan will come first, then pen, then pin, then plum, then polish, and then last one will be pup. Foot, finger, fast, fear, flow, funny. Fast will come first, then fear, then finger, flow, foot, funny. Game, gun, gift, good, glass, gentle. So game will come first, then gentle, then gift, then glass, then good, and last one will be gun. Children, I hope you all have understood it and you are able to do some exercises. Your home assignment for today is you have to write in alphabetical order the names of any 5 animals. You can start with letter A for ass, then B buffalo, and so on. Name of any 5 months. You remember to write the name of month which will have the smallest letter first. Then any 5 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, find out which day is starting with the smallest letter, then write in the first. Any 5 birds, name of any 5 girls, and name of any 5 boys. Take the help of your parents to complete this assignment. Last assignment is write the one word with each letter in the alphabetical order. That means from A to Z you will write word which will start from A, B, C, D in the alphabetical order till Z, and you have to draw and color the picture of that word. Suppose for A you are writing apple, so draw the picture of apple. B, ball, draw the picture of ball, so on. Okay children, now I hope you all have understood it. See you in the next class.